Hello, everyone. How are you all doing? If you can hear me, please say yes and hello in the chat. Thank you for joining me on day 2 of season 2, February 5th. February 5th. Thank you for joining me on day 2. Today is a really fun episode because we are gonna do some designing. And I am not a designer, so my design skills are, thank you, Rajiv. My design skills are impaired. Not that good. Shruti and her Maruti has arrived. Hello, Chinmay, Hunar, Lol Dude, Dikshant, Rajiv, Arjun. Thank you so much for joining me. Let's start our duty. Let's start it. Before that, we gotta get some music going. Okay, if you are new here, I will quickly introduce what the stream is about. So thank you so much for joining me. Oh, look at that beautiful aurora light behind me. Let me go fix that real quick. Or I could do this. Hack. I like the new background lighting setup. Thank you. It's my halo. A sailor, how are you? I'm doing great. Thank you for coming back on day 2. Hold on, I'm gonna go set up this light. Fix this light. Okay, that's probably better. Wait, that kind of messed it up. S. How's that? Nice. Perfect. Okay, sweet. So, welcome everyone to the stream. If you're new here, I'm going to introduce myself and the stream. This is a season 2 of a 30-day web app challenge where we pick one theme each season and build it. Last season, we built an AI app. This season, we're going to take that proof of concept that we built and make it scalable from a front-end perspective. And the next week, the next season, we are going to do the backend. So this season is going to be all about UI, all about front-end. If you're new to front-end, this would be a really great season for you to join. If you are a seasoned front-end developer, I would love to have you on here and give me your tips and best practices. Yes, loud and clear. Sorry, hello, Didi. Hello, a sailor. Is that a Herman Miller? It is a Herman Miller. Where's Pepper? Oh. She's MIA today. Dawn. Hey, Dawn. Hey, Shruti missed the first day, but I'm excited to this month's challenge and the setup is dope. Thank you, Dawn. I appreciate it. Hello, Behan. Hello, Hunter. Okay, so that was the stream. But if you're new to the stream, I also want to introduce myself because a lot of you might be new here. So hello, everyone, and welcome to this Web App Dev Challenge, where I, your favorite developer, educator, and entertainer, bring you one stream every weekday, actually, because your girl needs some break. And we go through some new task every day, learn a little bit of front end, practice a little bit of skills that we already know, learn something new. Like last season, we built embeddings and we built a recommendation app from scratch. Well, as much scratch as you can with an OpenAI and LLM model system. But we built everything from scratch. I had no idea how to build a recommendation system, so y'all were on a ride with me. So this is a built-in public challenge. Today is going to be a fun one because today So far, we've been using we've been building we've been building a front end application. We've been building an AI app. Actually, we built the whole full stack, the front end, the back end, but the code kind of looks like shit. It is not scalable. It is just a POC. There's like a bunch of components in app.jsx. In all honesty, it is not in a shippable state. But this is how we do POCs at work. We make a POC, we make it work, we make a proof of concept. At Slack especially, we do a lot of prototype development, driven development, which means we make sure first it works and then make it pretty and then make it right, make it optimized. So that's the approach we're taking here. I'm going to show you how to take a shitty looking app to production level scalability. We're gonna go from adding UX, like a nice scrolling feature, some new CSS features, adding the newest Tailwind support, but also ensuring that the UX of this is good. Like we're gonna make sure it's accessible. We're gonna make sure that it has pagination. We're gonna make sure that we are lazy loading images. We're gonna make sure that we are rendering on the server as much as we can. And we're gonna scale it and we're gonna make it shippable, and we're gonna improve this app as we go. So this season the functionality is gonna be limited, but the scalability is gonna be high. I am approaching it from a standpoint that at the end of this season I can deliver this app to a company. Hopefully I get bought by Zillow. Yay, that would be awesome. But the hope is that I deliver a good quality app that I am proud of, the code that I'm proud of, and the UX that I'm proud of. So today, we're gonna take the shitty design, make it look pretty. We're gonna build a Figma design today. So today's gonna be a design exercise. We're gonna build this Figma design, and you all are invited to give your inputs on what you would like the app to look like. If you have any inspirations of real estate app or just any UI that you like, I would love to see them in the chat. Please message them as soon as you find them. Sometimes links don't go through in these chats. So in the coding session, I will have a link for Discord, so you can paste your links there. So I can take a look at them. Before we get started and before we start chatting, I want to remind you of this community and the guidelines. This is a supportive community, which means any sort of bullying, any sort of mean or negative comments are not going to be tolerated and will get you banned forever. So no room for nonsense here. We're all learning here, we're all building here, we're all learning in public, but we gotta make sure that we support each other, we lift each other up as we go through. That is the mantra of my community. We all support each other. This is a supportive community. There is no room for any bullies here. So if you abide by that, please hang out. If that is something that you can't do, well, there are lots of other streamers there. With that, I am gonna ask you all to tell me, where are you joining me from? And what time is it where you are? And I will share where I'm joining from. I am actually in Seattle, Washington, and it is snowing outside. There's like this much snow, and today I made snow angels. My first snow angels ever since I moved to Seattle. So happy. Oh, I also share photos on Instagram. If you want to join, come hang out. My Instagram is open. Are you looking for X or YouTube moderators? Ha ha ha. Hell yeah, Arjun. Yes, please. Wait, are you the same Arjun from my Discord? Noida, India, 11:30 a.m. India, Delhi, India. Wow, so many Noida people. Or like Delhi people. Okay. Wait, I'm going to share my Instagram if you all want to hang out there. Instagram.com/ what is it? That's Shruti Kapoor. Is that even a URL? submit. Okay. Yeah. Oh, hey, Arjun, thank you so much. You guys, Arjun is awesome. He has been single-handedly moderating the Discord community. It's because of him that the Discord has picked up so well and has been so engaged. So, big props to you, Arjun. Thank you for taking care of it. Oh, it's bad here too. Walked out and went knee deep. What? That is a lot of snow. Okay, so I would also like to know if you are a front-end person, back-end person, or just new, like not front-end, back-end, or full stack, not tech related. Yes, join us on Discord. Arjun, let me see if I can make you a mod here. Add as moderator. Okay. Moderator here. Hey Shruti, hey Rajiv. I've joined for the first time. Is there any Notion page or something where goals or future pointers are listed? Ooh, I love that you said that. Okay, I have a GitHub. I can start sharing my screen too. Hello Kizzy, welcome back. Okay, just so I know how much context to give while I code, tell me if you are front end or back end. Hey Ishrat, welcome back. So good to see you again. We will have so much fun and some code also. That is accurate. Accurate. Okay, localhost. I'm gonna open my setup. Oh yeah, I was gonna share the GitHub link for a list of to-dos. Full stack, nice. You are looking pretty. Oh, thank you. I try. Learning front end with React. Oh, awesome, lol dude. Front end and back end both, I know. Awesome, Ishrat. I am all round. Rust, Go, Server JS, Browser JS. Damn, Hunar. Kuch to hunar hai. Pin message. All right. Okay, so a lot of front end folks. Front end I know much more, and front end has more fun and coolness. Absolutely. But back end I like for solving actual problems and more deep discussions for sure. So are you saying that front end doesn't have actual problems? Touched upon all areas way long back. Gotcha, Dikshant. Dikshant, what are you working on now? Java and C and Python and some more stuff I know. Oh, I forgot tomorrow morning I'm giving a talk. Haven't even prepared for it. Okay, gonna move this here. Today is gonna be a fun day actually, because we are just gonna be designing stuff. So I'm gonna open my Figma, get everything set up. Front end has more fun and coolness. Oh, you sweet summer child. I mean, it is true. Front end has actual problems once you know that I spent 2 hours on debugging CSS by learning the whole dev tools of the browser. Oh, front end can be so challenging. I think front end doesn't get the respect it deserves. It's so complicated, and there's so many areas in front end. It just doesn't get the respect it deserves. Alrighty, Figma. Hopefully this is free. Preparing for is your book out, like in paperback, or only online to read? My book? Did you mean my course, lol dude? Preparing for product GTM, kind of entrepreneur. Oh, that's cool, Dikshant. What kind of product are you launching? So would you say you're a tech founder? Oh my goodness. Alrighty, let's make a new Figma. New design file. Desktop. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Arpit Bhayani Fireside Chat. Are you saying that I should bring Arpit Bhayani for Fireside Chat? Going for my class, bye, and we'll watch the word. See ya! Front end needs more deeper than it looks from the overview. UI UX is a whole separate thing, absolutely. Then the coding part in user experience differs much more than the actual coding that is showed in tutorials. Yes. Alrighty, time to share the screen. Arpit Bhayani, Fireside Chat would be a great idea for sure. Somebody else also recommended Arpit, and I think I reached out to him already. Let me check. Yes. Okay, you know what? You guys, if you want Arpit on the chat, ping him in Twitter. Tag him and ping him and tell him that he should come on the Fireside Chat. Yes, tech founder, and I like tech literature. Front end always get appreciation, and people also abuse this too. That is true. Okay, since you recommended Arpit Bhayani, are there any questions that you would ask that you would like me to ask him? And which other guest would you like me to interview? I actually have a lot of guests coming up. I've already recorded Fireside Chats with Cassidy, Sunil Pai, Jack Harrington, Tanner Linsley, Adi Osmani, and Brandon, what's his last name? Mayer, I think it's Brandon Mayer. Brandon from Flight Control. Wait, what's his last name? Bear, my bad. Brandon Bear. Is there anybody else that you would love to see on this Fireside Chats? And also, I've been doing one Fireside Chats a month, but I've been thinking if you would like to see more Fireside Chats. I do have a lot recorded, and I'm thinking of maybe releasing twice a month. Let me know if that's something you would like to see. I also have been trying to put a lot more Hindi content out there for people who are especially from the Indian heritage. So, for example, with Dev, we actually spoke in Hindi. It was really, really fun. And that was the first time I did a fireside chat in Hindi. Sometimes I worry that it excludes some people out. But I love doing content in Hindi. I thought I heard biryani as the last time. Same. I thought that it was biryani, and I was like, wait, biryani? I could have some biryani. But alas. I'm a follower of Ari Osmani, want to shadow him always. Yes. I interviewed him for Fireside Chat, and his interview was so inspiring to me. I haven't released it yet, but I decided to take content creation seriously and full time after speaking with him. So our conversation had a profound impact on me. I think all of his LinkedIn posts are also really inspiring. He's also a very kind person, very sweet person. So it was really, really nice meeting him in person. Have to say, one of my favorite people. Okay, I think we should start sharing screen, huh? Let me get this going to show you what it looks like right now. I have never used Figma. Adrian Farog. Hold on, let me find this. I'm actually gonna take screenshots of this because much easier. Prince Rawat, hey, how's it going? All right, folks, let's start working. Just do it, then do it right, then do it better. This phrase was taken from him only. I think that's a really good phrase, and I abide by it a lot. Alrighty, I'm gonna get my code running. Where is my VS Code? One of these screens. Oh, there it is. My little code. Bring Ginger Bill on. Okay, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this as well. I can help you with Figma. Oh, cool. Thanks, Arjun. Okay, we'll definitely be needing your help because I have never made a wireframe in Figma. Y'all can see my screen, right? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is get the app running. And I think I have it here. Okay, how many of you are joining for the first time? So I can know if I should give a demo or not. I think I'm gonna like record a video. Shruti newsletter without in Shruti. Oh, without I in Shruti. Pff. I'm blind. Thank you. The Never World. Yo, what up? What up, Never World? Rajiv, you're new. Okay. Um, so I know if I should give a demo. I think what I'm also gonna do is me first time. Lies. Lies, Honor. You guys, Honor has never missed a single stream ever since stream. Hats off, Honor. Thank you so much for supporting every single day. This is definitely not your first time, but I certainly appreciate you coming every single day. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna have a leaderboard on the side. And it'll kind of show you how consistently you've been coming. Wouldn't that be awesome? It'd be like gamifying this. Me as well hopped from X to YouTube. Cool, awesome. Yeah, X is kind of weird. Actually, now it's a lot better. Like, I do see messages coming in from X, so I won't complain. Alrighty. Day 2 of joining stream. Hey, Lakshay, let's go. Okay, so who was new here? Rajiv is new. Me, first time. Honor is not new. I think maybe I will do a demo. So we're building a front-end app. Actually, we're building a full stack app. We're building an AI app, and the goal of this app is to allow users to look for properties without having to enter in multiple fields, multiple like filters through apps like Zillow. Also, it gives you an ability to look for properties or look for properties that match the properties that you already like. So kind of like a Netflix recommendation engine, but for properties. So I'm gonna get this app running and show you the app. I am Mew Mew. Mew Mew. Me. Hey Jay, welcome. It's not like Honor is such a unique name. There are 2 Honors joining chat would be a wonder. That is true. Me too. Changed to YouTube from X. Much better. Thanks. Yeah, I think X is a lot better. I wonder what the viewing system is like for you and how you feel. But I always notice that when I'm watching other people's streams, they don't see my comments on X, but it's a lot. I don't know. I feel like they don't see my comments if I put them on X, but if I move to Twitter, if I move to YouTube, it's a lot easier to like communicate with other people. Also, I feel like people don't really write comments in X, at least not the spaces that I've been on. All right, NPX. What do I have running? Why is it so slow? Okay, I'm gonna quit Notion. I'm gonna quit my calendar. I'm gonna quit, what else? Should I just quit Streamlabs? Might as well. Alright, convex dev. I have a new video coming on useref video, like useref, the hook, React hook, and I have to say it is my favorite video that I've made so far. I'm really excited for you to see it. It's gonna come on YouTube, so if you haven't subscribed, you're probably gonna miss it. So please hit that subscribe button. It is a video where I am gonna show you what useref is really used for in companies. I have used useref a lot and I have suffered through it a lot. So I'm gonna share my experiences of using useref in that video. And this is going to be a different video from others that I've seen on YouTube, because I'm not going to be talking about the fact that, useref is used to add like counters and stuff, because I feel like we never ever use that. One of the main uses of useref is for adding focus management and for accessing a DOM element, especially like a video element, and hitting play and pause. So I'm going to be diving into both of those examples in this video. This is going to be a 10 to 15 minute video, and I'm very excited for you to see it. So when you do see it, let me know what you think. It is going to come out this week. Hi Shruti, excited for the days too. Hey Vaibhav, thank you for joining. Regarding the relative lag on YouTube versus Twitch, change the latency to the lowest in the stream settings next time in YouTube dashboard. Oh, thank you, Hunter. I noticed that lag. Alrighty, so let's get this running. npm run dev and then node non-server.js. Okay, so this is what we're gonna look at today. I'm gonna move localhost here. So somebody was asking, what are we gonna do? What is our goal? What is our plan? This is the plan. Okay, I have written all of the goals in this to-do document. Hopefully you can see it all right. We are on season 2, February. Yesterday we did the error boundary in React. We did the code refactor. This actually doesn't look very pretty, so let me fix this real quick. We did the error boundary, we added that already. And then we did the code refactor. And we also added a loader. So let's go ahead and cross these out. Then the next step for us is, The next step for us is to show recommendation properties in the UI. But you know what? Before showing what the recommendation properties would look like, I think it's a good idea to take some time to actually design what we want the UI to look like, because we haven't really done that. We've just been adding elements left and right. So far, the app looks pretty simple. Now let me do a demo of the app. Here's what the app looks like. Pretty basic, pretty simple. As you can see, like some of these buttons are also flushed to the left. Clearly this app needs some love. But the functionality is there. So if you write like description in the text box, you say you're looking for a 3-bedroom house in Seattle in the range of 1 million to 21 million, and you click search, you see like a little loading bar, which is something that we added yesterday. And then it shows you properties that match that description. Okay. And you'll see that there are some bugs in this where you see this property which is less than 1 million. And then you see this property which is less than 1 million. So that is a bug. We need to fix that bug. But we've noted that down in our backlog. As long as it's in the backlog, it'll get fixed. Wait, where is it? I thought I added it. I thought I added that yesterday. Did I forget to push? Maybe I forgot to push. Git status. Yep. Git push. Git add. Adding to this. And it's going to say pull first. All right, to-do has conflicts. Of course it does. All right. Git add. Commit. Push. Okay, refresh. All right, what do we have? Cancel. Okay, it should not show properties outside the budget, so it's in the bug fixes. And then we're going to add some other stuff like recommendation properties in the UI, implement property details card, which is something we haven't done, implement pagination. So let me show you what it does. So then if you click on this property, it actually fetches like a list of these nice to have features. So it'll say covered patio, cozy fireplace, serene backyard, oasis, a serene backyard oasis, large kitchen, things like that. They're all kind of like clubbed together. We want to show them as tags. So that is part of the, I think that is part of the to do as well, but we're gonna implement that. I don't think it is part of it. So I'm gonna add that here. Implement property details card. I'm going to call them pills or tags. Implement pills. Let's call it pills. Bug fixes, insert update. Add React compiler. So there's other items that we want to do like memoize this app, improve the performance. And so I've written add React compiler, but this is also going to be about making sure that the app is performant, which is going to be like a whole new thing in itself. So let's create a whole new category. Performance optimizations. And I'm going to add React compiler here. Bug fixes. And then there are tech stack updates. So I'm going to add that here. Tech stack updates. Wait. All right, move to TS. That's already in here. Based on priority, third location. Okay, nice to haves. Okay, there's another nice to haves. So let's add this here. There was something else which was lazy loading. Did we add that anywhere? I think that would be part of the optimization. So let's add that here. Lazy load images. Did we say server rendering somewhere? Server-side rendering, improve data fetching through React query. Move to Tailwind and CSS v4. Okay, I think that's a pretty sizable chunk. Oh, okay. Fix this with the changes. Chloe GPT. Hey, Chloe. How's it going? What's going on? We are building a UI app and we're making it pretty. Prefetching and pre-rendering. Oh, good idea. Something you need is sticky input, so when you scroll, you can still go back. That is a great idea. I love that. Let's add that to our nice to haves. This is actually part of performance optimization. And then here, let me copy your message. Prefetching. What would you prefetch actually in this app? You can't really prefetch, can you? And in terms of pre-rendering, there isn't a lot to pre-render. Me watching you create the markdown list without Vim macros. Sometimes it's okay to do things the hard way or the boring way. Sometimes you don't need the fancy stuff. All right, okay. So that's the gist of this app. Also, one thing that I did not show you, which is something that we built last time, is if you like this property, we actually show you a recommendation list. We actually console log a recommendation list. We don't show you yet. I haven't built that functionality yet. That is part of our MVP. We need to do that. But in order to do that, I need to know what kind of design it should be, right? So that is what we're going to focus on. Show recommendation properties in the UI, implement property details, and implement pills. This is like 3 design items that I need for this app. And then somebody said, Rajiv said, what do you think about the feature of comparing 2 properties side by side? How would that work? So you have a property A, you have a property B, and then I don't know if that is fitting the use case that I have in mind, which is, I guess I can see it. Like if you have shortlisted properties, then you can decide which of these you like more, or like helps you kind of rate some of these properties. So it could be like a rating scheme. I do like that. But fancy. I know. Hey, my vibe, like my background matches my this overlay, the Streamlabs overlay. Let's start putting out ideas. So all Shruti can do today is note down ideas. Actually, I wouldn't mind that. That would not be a bad session, because today's session is all about brainstorming, right? Okay, first of all, you know what? First of all, I'm gonna reload this because I don't even like the way properties are presented. So we're gonna build like a few pages here. I think there's a lot. Why is it showing like this? You know what? I think Augment did something. Okay. Let's take a photo of this, because we are gonna use that as a base in here. Allow. And this is where we're gonna start designing in Figma. Now, if you have a site that you like, if you have an inspiration that I could use, let me know. How big is this? Okay, I'm gonna delete this garbage. But I'm gonna open Zillow.com and show you what Zillow does. And then I think Redfin also has a pretty nice UI. Redfin. Kind of similar. I do like that the search bar is on top of this background image. It gives us like a nice effect. It looks nice. This picture is nice. And then the properties are at the bottom. So if you scroll down, there is, oh, you were right. Like the input is sticky, which is nice. Icons for bed and bath. That is a good idea. The input here is sticky, so you can still search as you're going down. And then I like that this has this pills. Wait, is it big enough? I like that it has these pills. So it's kind of like the nice to have feature, or like the nice feature, the featured property item of a property. Oh, this is something that I like. So there is a heart button here in Redfin. I like that. We could do something similar where we have like a card at the top. So where is it? Where's ours? Like a card at the top, we actually still already have a card. And then at the bottom, we could have the price, the number of bathrooms, stuff and things, and then have a heart button. And then we can have like a dislike button. So I am going to start yoinking some stuff out of here. Shmoosh. Copy, and then paste. Yoink. Why is this frame so small? Oh, I can make it bigger. Excuse me, can you move? Real estate app. Make it bigger. All right. And then I want this to take up the whole kind of width. I like that it takes up the whole width. So come on over here, come on over here. Look how similar these apps are. I don't know if they're owned by the same company, but it looks pretty similar. They both have a header, and then they both have text on the left and search bar in the center. All right, I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna find a Shatsian. I'm gonna see what does Shatsian have. Because for this, I'm gonna use Shatsian. Does it have a banner? Components. It doesn't have a banner, does it? Oh, a badge. I tend to use cursor chat mode so the agent doesn't break the app. It's nice to click apply after going through the entire change set. I tend to use cursor chat mode so the agent doesn't break the app. It's nice to have V0. Yeah, we could use V0. I don't want to use V0. It does say open in V0. Okay, I don't see a banner here though. I'm gonna look. Might not be called a banner. Maybe it's like a header. Nope. Let's see. Carousel? Nope. I'm gonna look at all of them. Okay, it's not in here. That's fine. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find an image on Unsplash. So then I'm gonna say real estate. I'm gonna just yoink it. I'll yoink this. Copy image, paste image. There you go. All done. Looks shitty, but hey, whatever. Okay, copy image, delete, paste, and now crop this. That's better. Okay. And then I do like that the search bar is in here, so I'm gonna find the search bar from here. Search. Chat does not have access to it. I think that's going to be an input. Okay. I do like this, but I need a search button at the end, but not like a button. I need like a what is that? Looking glass, that kind of stuff. But I will copy this for now. There is an Unsplash plugin for Figma. Oh, nice. And then move this up to there. Okay. Copy this here. Obviously, this is pretty shitty because I'm not a designer, but it gets the job done. And then I'm gonna put a text here. Wait, can I have I think it has material UI built in. Where is it? Assets? Material 3 design, simple design system. Okay, this will do. Alright, inputs, text area field, switch field, select field, search. There, it has it. Insert. Yes, please. Delete. Sweet. Okay, this is what I need. Sweet. That is huge. If there's any designers in the chat, please feel free to critique my design, because I know this is not the best. Okay, and then I'm going to add a headline. Do you have headlines? Okay. Text. Oh, what is this? Ooh. Oh, what is this? Product detail page? Yes, please. Insert. Nice. Okay, what's in the home page? We need this. I'm gonna add that here. Command V. Where is it? Header. Okay. All right. Increase this a bit. Lock this, move this down here, and then I'm gonna add a text here. Where's text? Oh, text is right here. Okay, what should we say? Search for properties in Seattle. Search for properties in Seattle. And I know we're just limiting it to Seattle, but we'll get to that later. One MVP at a time. Okay, heading. Title. Okay, that's nice. And then this needs to have a little bit of opacity, a little bit of transparency. Wait, what? Oh shit. Image opacity. I'm going to decrease it down to, okay, that's nice. 70%. Elgato Marketplace has, check out the command component. Command component? Where is that? Figma, community search, query, property. Let me look this up. Wait, why isn't it letting me go? Oh, nice. Ah, sweet. Okay, what else? This is also nice. This would be really fun to implement actually. So you have listings on the left, but also they're mapped and plotted on this map. So that will be a nice functionality to add. Why is the stream 720p? Time for me to grab some food. Have fun. Elgato Marketplace has good templates for inspiration. You can go to Figma Marketplace, Figma Web Search. Shift drag for keeping the width height ratio. Shift drag. Oh, shift drag like this. Nice. Turn this up. Oh crap. Okay, I do like this, and this I like as well. Oh, there isn't much here. Okay, so I'm looking for a 3-bedroom house in Seattle in the range of, okay. How do I change the font size? Oh, there it is. Font size. Wow, it shouldn't be this hard, should it? That's huge. Okay, this is good. If Streamlabs crashes, it resets output settings sometimes. Oh, that could be it. That could explain the 720p. I'll have to check that after the stream though. But thanks for letting me know. Oh, you know what? I think it's a resolution. I'll have to do that after the stream. So I'll take a look at that. Switch to the other page. When you resize anything, you hold Control plus Shift so it equally increases both height and width in the component. Gotcha. Switch to other page in that community Figma file to view the full landing page design. In the community. Switch to other page. Ooh, that's beautiful, Zimdin. Thank you for sharing that. How did they get this landing page? Wait, that is not copyright free, bro. You can't play that in my stream. I crashed mid-stream yesterday and my bitrate was different. Oh no! What happened? How did you end up crashing? Okay, Arjun shared another link. Oh, that's the landing page of the same thing, isn't it? Alrighty, okay, so I like that. I think the opacity is too low, but that's fine. Maybe like 80%. And then where is my text? Text, I'm gonna add that in here. I don't know, where did my text go? I also need an icon here, which is that like look icon, this icon. Icon? Header. Oh, can I copy this? Oh, hey, I could just yoink this. Right? Where is this? want this. Command C. Can I do Command C, Command V? Okay, the layer is like, where did it go? Oops. Apparently my computer can't handle Streamlabs in studio mode. Oh. Yeah, Streamlabs takes a lot of processing power. Hey Shrikant, nice to see you again. Love that song. I know, me too. But I'm gonna get copyright infringement if I play that. My bitrate went from 6000 to 2667. What is this? Oh, weird that I can't copy and paste here. Okay, let's see. Ooh, that is a nice one. I do like this. This looks really nice. Best recommendation. This is nice. Thanks, Arjun. Okay. Paste and go. Oh, you're designing this. Nice. This is why Arjun is the best. Remember, I was complaining about a 50-minute to and back. I want track to do that every day in a couple of weeks. Why do you have to do that every day though? I think you were going to the coffee shop for that, right? Okay, let's, oh shit. Oh crap. Okay, I'm gonna deal with that later. What is this text? Is this the text? Image 1, 2, where is this? I'm gonna delete this. Okay, text. There is this. How do I move layers? How do I make sure this is at the top? Can I do, is it, oh, bring to front. Okay, now if I move this here. Okay, this, can I move it here? And then can I do bring to front? And then bring to front, select layer, search filter. Can I do bring to front? Why doesn't it come to the front? Bring to front. Oh, these are closed. That's what, wait. Why doesn't it show? That's weird. It's grayed out. Do you know why this could be grayed out? Anybody knows? You can grab the components, the last file. You can navigate to the components page and directly grab the desired component. Where's the components page? Oh, components. Okay. Does this have a components page? Add me to your Figma file. Slowly and slowly I'm seeing the difference in my body from the workout. Add me to. Okay, I'm gonna share a link. I will share it in Discord. Share. Edit. Edit. Oh, only invited people. Same. Move this draft into your projects. Okay, move file. Move. Oh, drafts are view only. Move your draft to your team's project first and then invite to edit to be sent. There you go. It won't let you. I don't know if this will work. Let me see. I copied the prototype link. Is that what you want, or do you want the dev mode link? Okay, I'm gonna put this in Discord. Arjun, I just saw the sticker that you created. That was so funny. Okay, I pasted the link in the Discord. See if you can join that. If not, hopefully you can view it at least. Alrighty. Okay, this looks fine for now. I did wanted to add a text, which I don't know where it went. But I am gonna move this up here maybe. View, approve, approve. Okay. I think you can only view though, right? You can't edit. Okay, now I want to add some of these properties. Approve. Approve. Move file real estate. Let's try. Move. As long as this doesn't cost me money. Okay, if somebody knows how to move this heading right over here. And then I'm gonna paste this card in here, which I love. Requested access. Granted access to whoever requested. Let me know if you can't see it. Okay, but why is this transparent? And then I'm going to type some text here, which is approve title. I'm going to copy this title, move it here. You see how everything is like faded out? Why is that happening? Recommended properties. And then I'm gonna remove the subtitle. Oh, that fixed it. Who did that? What changed? recommended properties. Complete chaos. Okay, you know what? I am going to take away editing rights. Wait, can I take away editing rights? Stop. Okay, everybody, please stop editing. Please stop editing. You can hide multiple cursors by clicking 50%. Drop down menu at top right corner, uncheck the multiplier cursors. All right. 2 free pages left. Okay, I will ask for help and then help me, all right? Because I think this is becoming too chaotic. I'm going to delete this. Thank you to anybody who added that. I'm going to add these cards. Help me when I ask for help, all right? Don't add anything yet. Recommended properties. And then I'm going to have 2 more of this. I like that. And then instead of please stop editing perpetuity. Okay. So, all right. So then I'm gonna add a okay, here's what somebody can do. I need a headline here at the top that says search for a house in Seattle. Maybe Arjun, you can do that. And then Hunar, you can help me with adding a dislike button on these cards. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. So I want to add a like we have a heart button, and then I want to add a dislike button. So maybe that's something you both can help me with. Add a headline here, Arjun can do that. And then Hunar, help me with the dislike. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. And then, oh, this footer is nice. So we will keep that. But keep the footer. And then what I'm gonna do is add another component here, which is gonna be the property details, because I want it on the same page. And what I want to do is create like a details card, and I think I saw that in one of these assets. So if I open details, property details, product detail, I like that. Insert, instance. No, I don't like this. Okay, and then I want I don't like this. Property detail. I want like a detail that should pop up. You know, you might have seen it in like in some product pages. You'll click on an item and then it'll show like a little pop up. What is it called? Like an accordion? Is it called an accordion? No, not an accordion, but it'll have like a card that pops up and then it can be collapsed. It's like a collapsible card. I think it's a collapsible. Where is it? So that's what I want. Hover card. No. Oh, that's looking great. I love these headlines. Thank you. Perpetuity, which is Arjun. Okay. Modal. Modal pops up in like another window. I don't want another window. I want so let's say that you have like multiple properties here. Actually, we should add more properties too. Did somebody lock this layer? I want multiple properties, and then when you click on this, for example, like when you click on this one, it like opens like a little panel-ish, collapsible panel, and then when you click on it again, it collapses. I don't know what it is called. The name is not coming into my mind, but that's what I want. Maybe it's called like an inline modal. I think maybe Netflix has it. So let's look it up. So if I go to Netflix, oh, I'm not even signed in. Fine, I will sign in.
नाम क्या है तुम्हारा?
Okay, maybe this one. Like if I click.
You haven't touched your food.
There is no food.
So you know how some
You haven't touched your food.
Websites would have this like product detail where you click on it and then it like shows up in inline. That's what I'm looking for. I can't remember what it is called. It's a detail of a card that you're looking at, but it shows up in the same kind of line. It's not a new window. It's in the same sort of block. Maybe like let's look at some product details. Because I think a lot of shopping sites do that. Actually, Zara is like a bad site to look at. I don't even know why I'm here. I don't like this site. What's the name? Drawer component. Drawer component. Where should I check it? Drawer component. Is it a dialogue? No, it's not a dialogue. Isn't it Shadcn? Shadcn. Where is Shadcn? Drawer component. Open drawer. I guess similar. Except it's in the same file, like it's in the same page. Collapsible component. That takes some time to do. Not accordion. No, it's not. Well, it's kind. That's what I thought, that it would be accordion. That's what I thought it would be accordion. I think it might be like a card plus an accordion. But this is kind of what I want. Like there's multiple cards, and then when you click on one, it actually shows the detail of that card. I think we'll go with that. Let's just call it accordion, and then I'll draw what I'm thinking. Let's see these accordions. Accordion item. I'll draw what I'm thinking. So let's say that we pop up this one, and then maybe somebody can help me with polishing the UI, because my UI skills, my design skills not that good. Okay, so I want like a box. I want a box first. All right, and then wait, where did it go? This is not a box. Rectangle. And then I need to fill it maybe. Oh, my frame is cut, right? Red. I like that. Is it because the frame is cut? Is that what the problem is? Frame. Oh yeah, we need a search icon there. Okay, and then what I want is that maybe was somebody using this. I'm gonna copy this, paste this here, and then what I want is that I want to show the detail. Oh, thank you. And then I want to show. Oh, thank you, Arjun. I want to show the detail of this. Make this smaller. And then I want to show the detail of this card. Oh, there's another box here. Like a little bit over here. And then move this. Okay. And then change this to white color. Or maybe like a nice color. Okay, that's nice. Okay, and then here I want to add and then I need this like little thing. I need this little thing. Shruti, I was working on that property card. Progressive disclosure pattern. That could be it. Sorry, which property card were you working on? Oh, the details. Oh, my bad. Oh, wait, do you want to add this? Oh, no, do you want to add this in the card? And then I want this here, but I need a carousel for that. So I'm gonna add this carousel. This is gonna be a carousel. And then I'm gonna add this here. So as you click on it, you can see the details, and then I'm gonna add like maybe this property. Copy this here, copy this here. Okay, so that way people can see other photos of this component, and then maybe make it bigger. Okay, Honor, you can add the details here if you want. This will be the property details card. So what we want is that when you click on this, like if you click on this item, it pops up and shows you the picture in line. And then when you click on it again, it collapses it. So it's kind of like an accordion pattern. And then whatever you're adding here, Honor, you can add it here. Then one more thing that I need is a recommendation. So where do we show recommendation? Maybe Azimuddin, you help me with that. We would like to add recommendations to this app. What would be a good place to add that? Okay, so there's more properties in here. And then I'm gonna move these down and so on. And then I'm gonna check Discord. Just getting stuff and then add the thumbs. Okay. This component matches your requirement. Yes. This is exactly it, Azimuddin. Expandable component, I guess that's what it's called. I love how collaborative today's session is. Okay, so then where do we add recommendation? Let's go look at Netflix. I think Netflix has a details. Oh shit, what's happening? Wait. Did I do something? Oh, that's looking really nice, Honor. Is that going to be the card? Does that replace this or the details? I think this would be really nice as this card, but it's just missing the address and the number of bathrooms. Oh, I see you're still working on it. Okay. Wow, I have a properties page. Damn. Okay, meanwhile, I am going to look for recommendation. Oh shit. Okay, Netflix. How does Netflix show recommendations? So if you go here, it shows you like a pop-up, and then it has
haven't
like
touched
this
your
more
food.
like this.
There is no food.
Well, no, this is food.
So, lots more food to come. Don't want to fill up.
That would not be possible. I've precisely designed the portions to account for that, so you won't fill up. Please eat. The menu only makes sense if you eat.
But you told us not to eat.
That is not what I meant, madam. You know it.
Well, thank you for your concern, but I am perfectly capable of deciding when I eat and what.
Okay. Start playing. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick water break and I'll be right back. Welcome back. I see that a lot of folks are still working in Figma, which is awesome. It is looking so much better. All right, I'm gonna continue adding posts to this. I'm gonna add details for the heading. What do we need? Ooh. I like that it shows multiple photos. I do like that. And then maybe this could be like a scroll thing, so you can scroll and see more photos. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, remove this, and then remove, I don't want this, I don't want this. And then I'm gonna have like multiple photos like this. And then you could, it's kind of like a scrolly thingy. But wait, how are we going to implement that? Kind of like how Netflix does. Oh. It's late. Look at parcel. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Oh wait. I do like this concept. So I'm going to get some of these photos. Let me just copy this. And put this here. Add a little bit of padding. And then add a bit more padding. And then keep it here. Okay. Now I need to crop this. There. And I'm going to add a little arrow, which I might find in assets. This arrow. Insert. Okay. And then I'm going to add this here. Make this bigger. Okay. This is a weird arrow. Can I say careful? Okay, and then I'm gonna add the heading here, which I'm gonna steal from Redfin for a property, which is gonna be the price. Oh yeah, that. That's gonna be this. So I'm gonna get this, get some details of this, capture that here. Get this here. Oh yeah, what was that? Option scale. What happened here? Oh shit. Okay, I like that. And then how do I crop this? Okay. left arrow. Ooh, I like this chevron. Insert. That is what I need. Okay. Insert here and then insert. Can I just flip it? Zoop. Move that here. And this can go. Okay. Let's make it smaller like that. That is better. Move this up. Command C, Command V. Okay, move this here. Delete this. Delete this. Okay, delete this. Command C, Command V. Move this here. Command C, Command V. Move this here. Okay. And now gotta crop this. There. And then I want to add a bit of opacity. Does anybody know how to do that? I first saw you in a foreigner channel. You nailed it in that video among them all. Oh, which channel? Do you mean Jason's? Okay, does anybody know how to add a little bit of opacity on this side? You see how on Netflix it has a little bit of opacity on the right side of this carousel? I want to add that. You can kind of see one more image, but I want to add a little bit of opacity on this one. Just to show the person that something else is there. And I do want to edit this. Okay. That and then I think one thing we still need to figure out is where we're going to put the recommended list of properties. So we've got this property details card, but then when somebody likes it, we need to show more properties that are similar to that, right? What would be a good place to put that? Now, if this was a separate detail page for each property, it would be a lot easier to put properties on that page. But now because it's a property card, like a expandable card, it's a lot harder to do this. So maybe we should create a property detail page separately. And that will actually help in reducing the load on our app as well. Because then it won't be a single page app for all of the pages that we have. Hi Ashish, how are you? I am doing great. How are you doing? Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this into a new page. We're going to create a new page for this, which is going to be called property details. And I'll see if I have any room here. So I'm going to create a new page. Can I copy this page? Yoink, yoink. Okay, where is my page? How do I even add a page? Product? Then page. I think it's a frame. Okay. Then I'm going to capture this out into this part. I'm going to take all of this out. Command X, Command V. And then move this back here. And then this is where we can put the carousel. Ooh, somebody was adding this. I'm sorry, did I move somebody's component? Sorry, it's hard to know what people are working on. Please feel free to add it here. Where is this? Oh, shit. Okay. I'm gonna not touch that. So feel free to add it back. Alright. Alrighty. About this home, okay? And then if you have like a like and dislike button, which I'm gonna copy from Honor here. Thank you very much. Oh shit. Sorry, I hope I didn't take your stuff. And then copy here. Oh, Azimuddin, that looks so much nicer. Thank you. Feel free to add that in. About this home. Alright. And then if you like this, okay, you know what I'm gonna do? Where's this file? Where is this? And if you like this, then I'm going to show you similar properties. Okay, then I'm going to show you similar properties. And then I want this stuff to be ungrouped, so I can take this out. Oh crap, come out, ungroup. Okay, and then I want this out of here, and then I want to create like a big like button. Okay, if you like this, or if you can't see, Command V, dislike this. All right. And then I'm gonna add some text here. Oh shit. Oh crap. Command C, Command V, and I'm gonna say, love this. Love it. And then I'm gonna say, not my type. Not for me. Right? We could do like a rating scale, but for now, let's just keep it as a like and dislike, just because our database doesn't have that. And I'm gonna dislike this, and then I'm gonna put the share button somewhere else. And then I am going to add a address. What else do we need for this detail page? Oh, we should put 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, that kind of stuff. Which I'm gonna ask Hunter to do because he's done such a great job at this. This is not for me. And then if you do like this, then we'll show you more properties like that. So if you say, I like it, you will get similar properties. Based on your recommendation. Based on your recommendation? Recommendation for you. Actually, let's do this. Recommendations for you. And then if you dislike it, So if you dislike it, we'll show you something completely new. So then we'll say something like, I'm gonna move this here. And then if you dislike it, we'll say, try these other properties. Try these other properties. And then, okay, so then if you say, where's an arrow? Arrow, okay. So if you dislike it, we'll go here. But then if you love it, we'll show you recommendations for you. And then somebody can use their design skills. Actually, maybe Azimuddin, you can do this. Make this love it and not for me nicer. If you want to. Hunter, this is looking really nice. And then you can, Hunter, you can add these bed and bath into this property detail card as well. Opinions on the property card. I love it. Oh, hey, Ashish, I am well, just trying to watch and processing what's happening. So we are actually collaborating on a design document. We've been building this real estate app, and we're trying to, in this season 2, we're going to be working on the UI of this app. So we are making this app look nicer. And we're all working on this Figma design. So you can either follow along or play along with us. The link is in the Discord chat, which is linked, which is actually shared in the stream here. Over here. Over here. Here. Hey, I can point to it. Opinions on the property card. Yeah, I like it. I think I would just like the corners to be rounded. Like in this box, I really like these rounded corners. I see that you're already adding that. And a bit more margin on the left. Maybe we can increase the font weight on the price. Actually, you know what? I think we should flip the address and the price, because the price is something that the person cares more about. And we can increase the font sizes of these icons as well. And then what happens if we show you properties that you do like? So if you do like some of these properties, then we open this detail card again. So that will be, so let me rename this to property detail card. Then these are the recommendation cards. Recommendation cards are literally just like property cards right here. I think we should also add a little hover functionality. I don't know if this does it. Oh, they have a carousel functionality. That is actually nice. So each of these cards should be a carousel. So I'm gonna replace these with like this kind of stuff. I'm gonna add arrows to them just to show that they are carousels. Oh, maybe Hunter can do that since you're working on it. Maybe you can add Hunter like arrows on the left and right to make it look like they are carousels. And then we're gonna have images, placeholders, because we don't want to load all the images. Image. So we're gonna have like an image placeholder because we don't want to load these images. Oh, like that. I like this. Insert. Instance. And then that is it. So we don't actually have a footer because it's infinite scrolling. And actually we don't even need a footer. Footer is usually garbage anyway. Who reads footer anyways? I think address up and price below works better since address can be longer. Then maybe we should move the like icons at the bottom as well. So we should put the image and the actionable items, the price and the actionable items together. And this 2 bath and 1 bath, 2 bed and 1 bath, that can go with the address. And then in this card, actually, they have this address as a smaller font size, which works as well. I'm gonna increase the font size of this. A little bit bigger. Move this down a bit. Make this bigger. Oh, this looks nice. Oh yeah, that's much better. This is locked. Do you want me to replace? I got you. I will put this in here. Thank you. Thank you, Azimuddin. I'll make this a bit bigger. Like big space bars. Oh, this is looking so nice, you guys. We did such a great job. Check out the love it and not for me buttons. Love it and not for me. Oh yeah, it looks great. I think we also need to think about the design scheme here, because it seems like right now we have a bunch of different colors. We have a little blue, we have some whites, some grays, and then we have this color, some grays. I think we should keep it purple, sort of like this color. Kind of with the theme of this this stream. Carousel arrow would make better sense with property detail instead of the property card, which is just a quick view. If you want in the actual app, you can add the arrows. I think the idea of having carousels is so you can see multiple photos without having to click on it. Oh yeah, that's looking so much better, Honor. So this is going to be this. I'm just focusing on black as it can be adapted to any color later. Yeah, I think let's do that. We can change colors later. Oh, this blue is nice though. I think I want to keep it purple though, like this kind of purple. But we can do that later. Don't worry about it. That'll be easy to add. Okay, let's take a look at our to-dos to see what else we need to do. So we gotta do property details, which is this page. Recommendation properties in the UI, which is right here. Implement pagination infinite scrolling, which is right here. Implement pills, which is right here. So we have taken care of all of the designs, I think. Implement routes, add React compiler, lazy load images, React scan, tags based on priority of preference. We'll do that later. Zero link for each property. I think that's the share thing. View transitions API, something with the sticky input. When you scroll, you can still go back. Maybe we should add a search on the property details as well, because they have a search right here. You know what, we need a header, so why don't we include this search like they have done in the header. So I'm going to copy this, I'm going to paste this here, and then I'm going to put the, wait, what happened? Okay, paste this here, and then we probably don't need all of this items. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste this in here. In the range of, I'm going to paste this in here. Wait, why is it? Okay. Select layer. Different. Oh, it's this one. Different. Different. Select your options. There it is. We'll put that right here. Okay, delete this. That's better. Okay, here. Hello, Scuffy. How's it going? Still needs size adjustments. It's 1200 pixels by 870-ish pixels. I tend to use insert dwarfism technique where I blow individual components way out of proportion while creating them. I do have to go. I still have time to access in the morning and I'm free. I might continue working. No problem. I should get going as well. But you folks, this is looking so beautiful. I am so glad that we did this collaboration together. We made this design. Let's just see where we came from. It was fun. I gotta go too. But thank you for doing this, Arjun. Thank you, Hunar. Thank you, Azimuddin, Rajiv, and everybody else who participated. We came from here and we ended up here. That looks pretty good. Now we just have to implement it. Well, we can do that together too, right? Okay, folks, this has been a real pleasure. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you very soon tomorrow, 9:30 p.m. Same time. Season 2, Web Dev Challenge. Web Dev Challenge? 30-day Web App Challenge. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.